Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States. Welcome to another quick bite of English learning. Today, I'll unravel the mystery behind the idiom "at the drop of a hat." This phrase means someone dropped a hat and you reacted instantly. Here's an example. Serena, known for her spontaneous spirit, would pack her bags for a trip at the drop of a hat. Or Sarah, a dedicated doctor, would rush to the hospital at the drop of a hat. Understanding idioms can add spice to your English conversations, making them more vibrant and dynamic. So, the next time you're in a situation that requires immediate action, you now know exactly what to say. English idioms have you scratching your head. Don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help you master your English challenges. And remember, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content just like this. Until next time, keep practicing and keep learning. Bye for now.